This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by Jenn Mele. Beautiful coastal living home across the street from the Chesapeake Bay. Built in 2019 with an open floor plan, gourmet kitchen, west custom close cabinets, quartz countertops and large island, the perfect home for entertaining. Primary bedroom has tray ceiling, walk-in closet and luxury bathroom. 2 additional bedrooms upstairs with the option for office or bedroom on main floor. Walk or bike to breweries, restaurants, parks and bay. Quick access to highway. 3 decks and a fully fenced backyard. Come live the beach life. For more information, review the details below.